turn up on your phone? I can't find mine.
You don't have any reception.
Yeah. So we're in the middle of God knows where. No reception, no idea where the closest servo is.
It's not my fault we're lost.
Yes, it is. You turned the map into a paper plane and threw it out the window.
Well, we can just retrace our way back onto the main road. I'm sure it's fine.
The main road? Which direction
That's
is that?
a bit of yelling.
I'm not yelling.
You're definitely in caps lock.
Okay, fine. Let's go back to where we came. Keep your window down. Look for the paper plane.
Car stopped.
I know. Yeah.
Why is Greenland called Greenland when it's white, completely covered in ice? Have you seen photos? It really bothers me.
Where are we?
What?
We've just been walking further and further into the bush. I have no idea where we're going.
Alright, let's go back to the car.
Where are you going? Car's this way.
No, I'm pretty certain it is this way.
How do you know?
What do you mean?
You've been talking this entire time.
I have a knack for this sort of thing.
A knack for what?
For this. Being out here. I know what to do. I'm hungry.
Snacks in your bag.
There's not.
Yeah, there is. I'd put it in there.
I ate it all.
Jesus, Lil. Okay, think this is the right way? You telling me to be there by a certain time?
Yes, 3 p.m.
Sweet.
Yesterday.
Oh.
Fine. Already copped it the last few months being late to everything. It's not like we're missing out on much.
Yeah.
Besides, we're just such fucking wankers getting married in a bloody bush.
That's your sister, Lil.
Oh, you can't choose your family, can you? I like it out here. It's nice. Life seems easier when no one's telling you what to do and how to live your life.
I don't think they mean to be controlling. It's just about creating a plan. It's what life is at this age.
Why?
I don't know. Make things easier so things don't fall apart.
They expect you to know everything. Like, where you want to go and where you want to live and what you want to do with yourself and if you're going to get married and if you're going to move out or see other people. I mean...
Okay to have a plan. It's okay to know where you're heading. Nothing to be afraid of.
Maybe that's why people plan. They're so afraid.
Maybe. Marco! Marco! Yes. Lily! Lily? Well. What are you doing?
You're ever afraid a bird might shit on you?
What happened? Why'd you run?
You were gone. I didn't know where you were.
Yeah, but I wasn't far.
I was
You should have just...
in the bushes, Tom. I didn't know what it was, okay?
Okay. Don't run next time.
Yep, I think that's it. My favourite insult ever is telling someone they can't come to my birthday party. Okay, get this. You're the richest person in the world.
Right.
But you can't eat cake.
So I was thinking, what happens if you get scared half to death twice? Almost certain that if a spoon was made of gold, it'd still be silverware.
As long as we have a solid foundation, it's definitely gonna last.
It's just science. I'm way faster than you.
No.
My legs are longer.
No way. You're heavier. I feel like I would just slow you down.
Ready, set, go. You think a life out here is possible?
Yeah. We need to find more food though. I'm pretty sure I'm malnourished.
Fair. But I mean, would you do it?
Yeah, I would. It's real. But there it's not.
It does seem simple. No rules and all that.
Yeah. You could build that house out of sticks.
We're getting pretty good at that. Just need a few more leads. You're up early.
Yeah. Thought I should get a jump on finding the right sticks. We need the sturdy ones.
Yeah, but I think we should hurry up.
Why?
We need to get looking for the car. Or at least a signal.
You want to go back?
Well, yeah. You didn't think we could actually live in a house made of sticks, did you?
Aren't you scared?
Well, yeah. I mean, I have no idea where we are, if we're going to get to the wedding,
No.
so yeah.
No. Aren't you scared of us?
What do you mean?
Well, that one day we're going to reach 30 and be angry. I don't want to resent you.
Wait, resent me?
No, not you. I mean, mad at the fact that we wouldn't know anything else, that we wouldn't have been with anyone else, and that you might not have had the things you wanted because of me or of us. Do you ever think about that?
Well, it's 7 a.m.
Have you ever thought about it?
Well, yeah, but I don't think that should stop us.
Okay, so do we just ignore the fact? It's been 7 years. Do we wait till we get to 20 and then reevaluate?
Look, we need to get going. Once we find the car, once we get back, we can work it all out from there.
What about last night?
You didn't think I was serious, Lou. We can't live in a house of sticks.
Why the fuck not, Tom?
Because that's ridiculous.
You know what's ridiculous? If we head back there and then every expectation becomes a reality, and before we know it, we're another perfect little unit, and my attention's going to fall solely on place settings and tablecloths.
Lil, it doesn't have to. There's nothing wrong with the plan. Doesn't mean we have to be like everyone else.
Yes, I do. I do have to be like everyone else, Tom, because there is nothing else. When you're a kid, they ask you, what do you want to be when you grow up? And you can say anything. You could be a policeman, a painter, a fucking fairy, and it's real.
Well, what do you want? What do you want? To stay out here eating fucking snails? Living in the sticks?
What is wrong with Dick?
What is wrong with the plan?
If you want to go, then just...
Fine. Saves you worrying about resenting me.
Oh, come on, just go.
Yeah, I'm trying.
You're clearly not. You have no idea where you're going.
Me? You have the worst sense of direction. I'm amazed you even fucking found me.
Why on earth would I even go looking for you?
All right. Let's establish some ground rules. That side's yours. This side's mine.
No way. You get more trees on that side. That's not fair.
It's the fucking bush.
No. From that side's yours. This side is mine.
Can't even draw a straight line.
Oh, you gotta ruined it.
There. Stop. There.
Hi. Jesus, fuck. Sorry. Who are you?
Jeremiah.
Bullfrog.
What?
What?
Who are you?
I'm Lily. What are you doing here?
Taking a vow of silence.
You know you're talking to me, right?
Yes, I'm aware. I
Sorry,
wasn't
I mean, I don't know what a
here.
vow
It
of
was
silence. I
me
just
in
feel
the
like you
bush
should
and I
probably not talk, but
feel like, yeah, okay.
are you taking a vow of silence?
Because I really need to reevaluate my priorities. And I thought that the best way to do that was to separate myself from the rules and expectations of society.
You and me both.
So how did you get out here?
How did any of us really get here? Well, I was with my boyfriend, and we were on my way to my sister's wedding, and then we got lost because I turned the map into a paper plane and rolled down the window, and then the car broke down, and then we decided to go looking for a main road, and then we lost the car, which is really starting to bother me because I'm pretty sure I'm malnourished, and then I fell into a ditch and cut my arm. Then we had a fight because he wants to go to this wedding, and I don't. Because if we do, we're next. And I don't think that I can do that. I mean, I don't really know what I want to do with my life. So I drew a line in the dirt, and now this is my side of the bush.
Are you hungry?
Yes.
Here.
What a terrible hippie. The red ones are the best.
So if this spoon was made of gold, would it still be considered silverware?
So, how long are you going to stay on your side of the bush for?
What do you mean?
When are you going to go find him?
Tom? No. I like this side better. We have Fruit Loops.
What are you scared of?
Nothing. What are you scared of?
I'm not.
I mean, you're out here for a reason. It's not just to take a vow of silence.
No, I said I need to reevaluate my priorities. You know, I have no idea what the next step in my life is.
And you just couldn't do that back home?
Sometimes I just feel like when everyone else tells you what they think you should do, it's a real pain in the ass. You know, and sometimes I just want to eat my Fruit Loops, you know, without being told to add more actual fibre to my diet.
And that is why we're staying on my side of the bush.
So how long have you been together for?
We were together for 7 years. Grew up together with my neighbour.
And what if you go back?
I don't know. Get married, see other people.
Why? Do you love him?
What?
Do you love him, or are you just attached to him? I mean, there is a difference, you know.
How do you know?
I had this friend who had a girlfriend once, and she was a real bitch. Like, wouldn't even make her a morning coffee. You know, if she was making one for herself, she wouldn't even ask if she wanted one, and she wouldn't leave any in the pot. You know, she thought she loved her, despite all the mean things he did to her, but she really didn't. He was just attached to her. I think she liked saying that she had a girlfriend more than actually having one.
What happened?
She left her.
What's she doing now?
She's just dating, you know.
What's that like?
I don't know, it's my friend.
Sure. What's that like?
It's pretty shit.
Is that why you're out here?
You know, I think they are actually pretty bad for you.
So are snails.
Did Tom make you coffee?
Yeah, he did.
That's cool.
Yeah. I have to go.
Thank you for the Fruit Loops.
You guys think we'll see any crimson-tailed cockatoos out here? Those dudes are sick.
You know they can't hear us, right?
They've gone.
Lily! Lily!
Lily, you idiot.